Hi, I'm Damini Celebrate and welcome to Connect In. I am really excited to be here with you all today. There is just so much going on in the world that it's really easy for us to lose our center, to feel beside ourselves most of the time. And that's why I've committed to sharing with you each week a variety of tools to connect into your body, and to have some sense of control and inner guidance. And when you are connected in with your body, you are calm, clear, and supported. So you can handle no matter what life throws your way, right? And so this month we've been exploring the concept of intention and how intention is kind of like the arrow to your heart. So no matter what is going on in your world, if you hold one intention, and for us this week, it's really about connecting to your body, coming back into your body so you can be centered and grounded. And so when you hold an intention, it's kind of like an arrow. It kind of holds compass for you. So no matter whether your dogs are doing weird things or your family's doing craziness or there's just madness all around you, which we've all kind of experienced a little bit, when you hold the intention to be grounded and solid in your body, you really can handle most of what life throws at you. So for this exercise, I'm going to invite you to grab a pencil or a pen or some paper. It could be a paper bag. It could be your technology if you can write or doodle on it. And we're going to keep going forward. So I'll give you a minute to check that out. Okay. So just put that off to the side. And what I'd like to invite you to do is just soften your eyes. You can close them if you're comfortable, or you can just allow them to kind of be soft. And begin to breathe. Like really notice your breathing. And invite your breath to come in to your chest, to your belly, and now all the way down to your feet. And wiggle your toes. Part of recreating patterns that can help you stay calm and centered in your body is to recreate muscle memory. So I try to give you cues that you can use no matter where you are. So breath, belly, toes. Feel your feet on the ground, or feel where your body is connecting to the earth. If that's via a chair or a couch, that's okay too. What you're doing is shifting your intention from here and thinking to coming inside, to connecting to all that your body has to share. So when we are in our body, we can listen to internal wisdom, to the guidance that is in our body. And today I just want to give you an exercise of, a short exercise of what it's like to begin to listen to your body. And we're going to do this through the process of doodling, because the more we can stay out of our mind, the more we can stay in our body and get information that way. Trust me, our mind is great. She gets us going. She does all these things, but sometimes you need to really come deep inside to find truth, to find your inner compass. So go ahead and grab that pencil or pen and that piece of paper, and you can pop it right in front of you. And notice how you've come out of your body already. So breath, belly, feet. Wiggle your toes. And do a couple cycles of breathing, in and out. Keep saying to yourself, breath, belly, feet. Great. And now your intention is to connect with a part of your body that has something to share. And trust me, don't let your mind get involved in this. Keep coming back to your breath, belly, feet. Because your mind may be going, what? But your body knows. Breath, belly, feet. And bring your awareness to a part of your body that is kind of trying to get your attention. That can be with a sensation, with pain, hot, cold, or you may just have all your focus going to that one place. And because we're going to explore how your body talks to you, we're going to start with this very simple exercise where you're going to put your piece of paper, your pen, down on your piece of paper and keep your awareness on your toes and that body point, because I just want you to stay in your body and not in your head. Now bring your awareness to that body part. And if you can, just allow your hand to begin to move what you feel. So if that area feels smooth, maybe you're making some smooth pencil marks. Maybe it feels a little crunchy, you can make a little crunchy marks. Just follow whatever your body is telling you, especially if it doesn't make sense. Keep breathing. Keep coming into your belly and feet so you stay in your body. And what you want to do is just say, what is this feeling? How can I express this feeling? Just with some marks. This is not about making art. This is about expression. This is about listening to your body. And follow wherever it leads you, if it goes fast or slow or noisy. Just follow wherever your body leads you. Great. Take a moment. Breath, belly, feet. When you learn to listen to your body, you will begin to learn and trust the inner compass, your inner compass. So you can look inside yourself when you connect in, instead of looking outside yourself. So if you like this exercise, go over to DaminiCelebrate.com. You can check out the blogs. There's a lot of different tools to connect to your body and to connect into your heart and soul as well. So I hope you have a great week, and I'll see you next week. Thanks for watching.